Hey everyone, Tommy from TechNexus, and thanks for joining me on this week's video. Now, this is going to be a response to a question that I had about splitting insulation on a pipe in Plant3D. So if you're not already aware, let's draw a piece of pipe here, a couple meters long. We can't put insulation up to a certain point here in Plant3D by default. So if I just throw in, I'll throw in 50 mil of insulation. Okay, and you can see there it's in kind of a light orange, light green color. There's my pipe, and there's the insulation around it. So if you're trying this on your model and you can't see it, make sure there's a button up here under the visibility to toggle the insulation on and off. Okay, now we can't break that and say it's going to stop without putting a weld on the pipe. So I know it unfortunately adds another weld, but you can see here that this side has no insulation and this side has 50 mil of insulation. Okay, so now let's just, for argument's sake, run a quick ISO on this. So yeah, so it's really the only way that you're going to be able to. So if you are counting welds, I guess it's probably an unfortunate side effect of that. But you can see here, field weld, not insulated and insulated, so you can see which side it's on as well. What we can also have a look at is possibly making maybe the weld existing. So there's no, so you could maybe make the status existing in there, and then we can rerun that again and then see if it's going to put the weld in there. It might still call it up as a field weld, but I guess it's probably not going to be counting it in any bombs. Okay, so it is putting it there, but let's run it with an ISO style that has a weld table on it. So under the final A2, just run it. So in the check prints, check A2 style, it doesn't have the weld table, but on the finals, okay, so there you go. So it looks like if you just make that weld existing, then it's not going to count it. So I guess hopefully this answers your question. If you need to split it, then put a weld in the middle of the pipe, make it existing, and then that should be able to resolve your issue on splitting up insulation on a pipe. So thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you liked the video, thumbs down if you didn't, but please do subscribe to the channel and check back weekly for some more of my plant videos. See you later.